Ekugcineni usuze wafika umgomo eMpumalanga uDokotela Sterman ubeyingxenye yalezo sebenzi zezempilo ebezizogoma wahaqwa iCovid-19 ngenkathi saqala waxinwa ukugula.
Getting this vaccine will first of all relieve that fear and stress out of me and also just to protect the ones around me. And the people that's not on the border for getting the vaccine now, like I would definitely say think about it, think about your family, think about your own health.
Udokotela Motli uthi ngendlela ajabule ngayo uphelelwe ngamazwi.
When the vaccines were announced, it was very exciting, and especially when it could come to South Africa, we were looking forward to it. I registered as soon as we were able to because I don't want to get it again.
Bangaphezulu kwenkulungwane namakhulu amabili abantu asebenqotshwe ilesifo esifundazweni kanti abangamashumi nomuvo yisebenzi zezempilo. Manje ukulwa lempi kugonywa izisebenzi zezempilo ezingamakhulu ayisikhombisa ngosuku.
About 56,000 plus who must be injected as our professional healthcare workers. And we must indicate that as we speak, we are also catering for private sector because on daily basis, day in, day out, they are exposed to this virus.
Amaphoyisa asejutshe ukuthi avikele lo mgomo.